Welcome to our channel. This video is about maximizing profit using cost control and strategic financial planning. Part 3 of a 4-part series about owning a rental property for beginners. The following 7 key points will help guide you. Starting with choosing the right property, optimize financing, set the right rent, minimize costs, attract and retain quality tenants, maximize tax benefits, and lastly strategic improvements. Okay. Let's get into it, starting with choosing the right property. Location is key. Look for areas with strong rental demand, population growth, employment opportunities, good schools, and infrastructure development. Think, who is your target tenant? For example, single-family homes for families, or apartments for young professionals. Also look at appreciation potential, so neighborhoods with a rising property value for long-term gains. Next up we have Optimise Financing. What does this mean? It means shopping around for a low interest rate and favorable mortgage terms. A small difference in the interest rate can significantly affect cash flow. Also consider using leverage smartly. A reasonable loan-to-value (LTV) ratio can increase returns but avoid over-leveraging. What does this mean? Leverage in real estate means using borrowed money, like a mortgage, to buy an investment property instead of paying for it entirely with your own cash. When you borrow some of the money, you can buy more properties or a more valuable one than you could with cash alone. An LTV can increase your return on investment (ROI), because you're investing less of your own money, but still earning income and appreciation on the whole property. Lastly, refinance strategically. Okay, so what does this mean? This means refinance when rates drop, or you could pull out equity for other investments. We strongly encourage you to work with your local banks or a trusted mortgage broker to see what best fits your situation. Next up we have setting the right rent. Rent that is too low may affect your cash flow, but too high rent may discourage great tenants. Getting it right is so important. Here's what we suggest. Market research, adjust regularly, add value with upgrades, and charge for extras. Let's look at market research. It's best to regularly compare with similar local rentals to ensure you're charging competitive yet profitable rent. Regular rent adjustments as the market allows, ideally in line with inflation and local demand. Adding value with small upgrades can justify higher rents. For example, adding modern fixtures or a fresh coat of paint, or updating old flooring. You could even consider installing a dishwasher or upgrading the bathroom or laundry with a washer and dryer. Maybe add a garden shed. All of these could equal a rent increase. You can always charge for extras too. Maybe pet rent or for use of a storage area or a parking space. Number 4 is minimize costs. Preventative maintenance is always a good one. Regular maintenance reduces costly repairs. Energy efficiency upgrades like LED lighting, insulation, or efficient HVAC can reduce utility costs, especially if you cover them. Negotiate service contracts and shop around and get multiple quotes for property management, repairs, and insurance. Next up, we are talking about retaining quality tenants. They are so worth keeping. Firstly, screen tenants carefully. Take tenant feedback seriously and consider incentivizing lease renewals. Be flexible, maybe allow a new pet. Make sure the rent is fair market rent. Keep up good communication and stay on top of maintenance with regular inspections. You could also consider giving a Christmas gift each year. Now we look at number 6, maximizing tax benefits. It's important to know which expenses are deductible, using the right depreciation strategy, and staying compliant with tax laws. Discuss with your local qualified accountant or tax specialist. Understand what's deductible. Many common rental expenses are fully deductible against your rental income. These include mortgage interest, property taxes and rates, insurance premiums, repairs and maintenance, and property management fees. Utilities, if paid by you, advertising and marketing costs, professional services like legal and accounting etc., plus travel expenses related to property management. Our last key element for optimizing profitability is strategic improvements. Focus on durable low-maintenance materials like vinyl flooring, durable countertops, LED lighting and commercial-grade carpets in bedrooms. These will reduce wear and tear over time, therefore better cash flow long-term. Improve curb appeal by simple things like a new letterbox, neat tidy yard with well-maintained plants. Power wash exterior of house and fresh paint. Maybe think on a bigger scale. And upgrade the kitchen and bathrooms. These can be done on a budget and look great. A new benchtop or cupboard door upgrade. Fresh painted rooms, or if budget allows, a full reno. Within the footprint of a large house, consider creating another bedroom or turn a basement into separate accommodation. Check local regulations first. More rent for more bedrooms. Here are a few more ideas. How about maximizing storage and space? Enhance soundproofing, especially in multi-units. Implement regular preventative maintenance. Offer optional upgrades or add-on services like paid parking, pet rent or storage rent. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our video, please be sure to like and subscribe.